The first part of the noise reduction kit for Tesla Model Y is the Panoramic wind noise reduction kit. Its gap is pretty big, so the wind can travel through there and create some noise. The first thing, preparation wise, you have to clean these grooves out. See here too, there's a groove. I think that's where all the wind noise generates. I mean, it's not a big gap, but there's a gap, see, between. So then I'm sure wind will flow through and then it creates like this, like wind noise.